Solving quadratic equations graphically. Sometimes you are given the graph of the quadratic and need to give the solutions. This is done by finding the x-coordinates of where the graph crosses the x-axis. Remember, we've been solving equations mostly where the a is equal to 0, but where we have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Now remember that the x-axis on a graph is the line y equals 0. So when we find the points where the graph crosses the x-axis, we're finding where y equals ax squared plus bx plus c crosses y equals 0. And that's why this works. So we want to solve the following graphically. So we've got the graph of x squared minus 5x plus 6, and we want to solve x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. So we just go and find the x-coordinates of the point of intersection, and therefore we can say that x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 3. Same thing here, we just look for where it crosses the axis, and we can say that x equals negative 2 or x is equal to 2. Now sometimes you do only get one solution. So we can see here x equals negative 3. If you actually factorized this one, you'd find that you got x plus 3 is equal to 0, or x plus 3 all squared equals 0. And the only value of x that makes this 0 is, of course, negative 3. It's actually possible to have quadratics like this where you get no solutions because it never crosses the axis. And just for point of reference, if you try to solve that type of equation by the formula, you'll find that the b squared minus 4ac quantity under the square root is negative in that situation. So this last one does have two solutions, and those solutions are x is 0 and x is 4.